Hello everyone, hope you are healthy. Our topic today is QA. Now imagine this scenario, you work in the chemical industry and are given a sample of salt. Your boss says, tell me what this is. This is your first job, you're a newbie and you need a new phone. So you get on it. First thing you should focus on is the color. Yes, the external color. Not something you would do in real life lah, but hey, it's science, so get on it! Simply put, to identify a salt through its quality, such as solubility, chemical reactions that they undergo, and yes, its color. That's qualitative analysis, and let's call this QA from now on. To summarize, what you need to do is you will hafal, memorize, cita, manapadam, amgi hada, aprende de memoria, Pikachu. We will need a chart to illustrate my points better. This one has a different list of cations as the ones before, adding iron 3 while omitting some. I'll tell you why later, but now let's begin from the right. Wait, here. So let's begin from the right. Now remember, this is the solid salt, not dissolved in water yet, okay? Not yet dissolved. So copper 2 nitrate and sulfate are blue, copper 2 chloride and carbonate are green. Now down there, you have copper 2 oxide, which is black. By the way, oxides are not salt. I repeat, not salt, but it helps us with QA. So it will stay there for now, and we will talk more about it later. Now, before moving on, I want to mention that copper is so asked. Yeah, it gets asked every exam. It's like when you're tall, they ask if you play basketball, and when you're short, they ask you if you're doing okay. In chemistry, they ask you about copper because of its color changes. Pure copper is brown. We'll move on to iron 3. Now, this is not mentioned in your syllabus, but iron 3 nitrate is violet and iron 3 sulfate is yellow. Hydrated iron 3 oxide is rust, so you know what color it is. Luckily, the other iron 3 salts are also brown. Iron 2, fortunately as well, all green. Lastly, zinc oxide is yellow. Kinda. So time to talk about oxides right now. Again, they are not salt, but later we will heat the salts because this is the next step in QA, and some salts will decompose into oxides when heated. You know, decompose? Yeah, decompose. Okay, transform. Okay, you heat the salt and some of them transform to oxides. Now, lead 2 oxide is brown when hot and yellow when cold. Zinc oxide is yellow when hot, white when cold. This information is huge. So remember, kita ingat Squirtle. Oh shush, your boss is back. Any progress, newbie? Don't panic. If the salt is colored, you can at least suggest some possibilities. But what if it's white? Because all these are white. Now your boss is mad. Something so simple like this also cannot do? I pay you for what? Your boss leaves. Now what do you do? Next up, solubility. Remember, some salts are not soluble. Check the previous video. As you can see, iron 2 green, iron 3 brown, copper 2 blue. Nice! But again, all these white salts just now, when they dissolve in water, they are now colorless aqueous solutions. Remember the cations that I omitted? Barium, silver, tin. They are the same. Alright? Okay, what's next? Take a deep breath. You've gone through a lot. Random facts! Hi, I'm sure you guys know about hypertension or high blood pressure, usually caused by high levels of sodium in the body. This is usually correlated with the intake of sodium chloride in our diet. But do you know that potassium chloride is one of the drugs that helps us to control blood pressure? So what that means is that this causes high blood pressure and that controls or decreases it. Interesting. And that's it for Random Facts. Time for heating. Right. Heat the salt. Some may decompose, transform, and in the process they will release gases, which we have to test. Hey, don't complain. You know there's a lot of hafaling to do. Get on it! So here's another chart. Most nitrates, you panaskan, you heat up, he will release nitrogen dioxide, a brown gas. Easily identifiable. All release oxygen, which is denoted by this straight blue line. Right. And do you know liquid oxygen is blue in color? It's quite pretty. Ammonium chloride and carbonate, that's the vertical line, releases ammonia when heated. Get that moist red litmus paper ready. Note that ammonium chloride also releases hydrogen chloride. Now, most carbonates release carbon dioxide gas. Lime water, milky, you know it. The other chlorides, no reaction when heated. Sulfates do not decompose under heating, except these two. Check the textbook. Oh wait, your boss is back. Okay. Let's review the situation. Let's say the salt is white. It's soluble in water. Forms a colorless solution.
Because it is not white. Because these are insoluble.
When you have the solid salt, you heat it up, a brown gas is released.
The brown gas must be nitrogen dioxide. So this should be a nitrate salt. And we are down to only 4 choices.
The solid residue is yellow when hot and then white as it cools down. What could this be?
Zinc nitrate decomposes when heated to form zinc oxide.
This salt must be zinc nitrate. He seems impressed. Good job. How about another scenario? It's a white salt, insoluble in water. You heat it up. The gas released turns lime water milky. And the solid residue is brown when hot and yellow when cold. What could this salt be? It is lead 2 carbonate. See, this video is not a complete waste of time. Just a slight one. Of course, if you heat the salt and nothing happens, or the salt decomposes to give you a white residue, too bad lor, right? At least you can remove some possibilities lah. Anyway, I hope this video is helpful to you. I'll see you again sometime. Bye. Oh shush, your boss is back. Get on it!